Hello guys, today we are going to look at something interesting. Today we are going to see how to make to use levels to make shadows. Yeah, I think this one will be so good. Mm. So now let's as we have created this canvas, let's give it some color. Give it some uh, give it, yeah, let me give it that color. So we are going to create a shape, a spherical shape, and let's make this one white. And now, so what we are going to do next, we are going to apply our level effect. Come here, select levels, and levels panel effect. Where is it? I want to select it again. Yeah, so let's see, let's decrease it to the levels that we want. At least this one will do us better. After doing this, you shall mask it down so that the effect goes directly to the shape that we have selected. After doing that, come here to the levels mask. We are going to invert it by pressing Ctrl R. We invert the selection, press here our brush tool, we increase it to the size that you want. Now you can see the effect is smoothly growing. Let me make it more. As you can see, we have made a beautiful, a very beautiful moon. Okay, yeah, it's good. So to make it more realistic, you can come back here to the levels. Let's invert it again. You can come back. You come here. Let's change it. Invert it again. I want to see. Give it here a smooth whitening, smooth light effect. As you can see, it comes out very smooth. So this effect it makes it look more realistic, as you can see. Here we go. This is it. This is our beautiful moon. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to make shadows now. Beneath an object. I'm going to show you that in my next video. Yeah, hope you have a great time. Bye bye.